So, you want to outsmart a narcissist? It's like trying to beat a cat at a staring contest. But here's the secret. Sometimes it's best not to engage. Picture this. Narcissists usually thrive on applause, gasps, and the occasional tear. A standing ovation of attention, if you will. Imagine it's like watering a plant. The more you pour, the bigger it grows. Confronting them head on, it's like telling a cat it shouldn't knock over a vase. Trust me, the vase is going down. Enter the gray rock strategy. Not a black metal rock band, sadly, but just as powerful. The aim? Be as emotionally thrilling as a loaf of stale bread. Discuss the weather, talk about how socks get lost in the laundry. You get the drift. If they challenge your boundaries, channel your inner British guard. No emotion, no justification, just that steely, unwavering gaze. Document the drama. Think of it as keeping receipts, not for shopping, but for when you might need them. And always, always have a backup support system. Think of them as your emotional Avengers against narcissistic supervillains. Master the art of being a closed system. It's like a club, but with a no narcissist allowed sign at the door. Remember, this isn't about them. It's about you. Like leveling up in a video game, but the stakes are your well-being and sanity. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And trust me, you've got the stamina. So if you tried this strategy, let us know if it worked or not. Spill the tea in the comments. Catch you later, superheroes. And if you're feeling the vibe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep this sanctuary of sanity going.